The Prime Minister is doubling down. Cannabis will be legalized in Canada this summer. The news comes after concerns from the Assembly of First Nations that the rollout is coming too soon. CTV's Michel Boyer is joining us with that story this morning. Michel, good Friday morning to you. Why is pressure mounting on the Prime Minister now?
Marcia, happy Friday to you. Yeah, the Senate's Aboriginal Peoples Committee suggesting that legalization should be delayed a year. Hearing the same thing from the AFN over the last couple days now, that they're really arguing that the government should make sure that things like culturally sensitive information is available to warn Indigenous people about the risks of using pot. They also say there should be a way to share profits with First Nations governments. And despite the pushback, Justin Trudeau is not backing down from his promise. Take a look at what he has to say.
Every single day, Canadians are hurt and harmed by the current approach on marijuana. It's not working. But make no mistake, this is a public health and public safety issue that we committed to in the election campaign and that we will be moving forward with this summer.
There are some warnings also, Michel, about people growing plants in their homes. How's the Prime Minister responding to that?
Well, he's pushing back as well. Quebec and Manitoba have said that despite the federal legislation, they are going to ban the cultivation of pot plants inside homes. Trudeau says he expects provinces to follow the law, so a pretty clear message there. And there's also been a warning out from Canada's Real Estate Association saying that home prices could be affected if plants are grown indoors. That's because of the temperature, the humidity. It could affect also the structure of the building. So some concerns and question marks around insurability there. Justin Trudeau says that the decision to move down this road and limit homegrown plants to 4 per household is something that is based on what he says is months, if not years, of talks with experts, and that it's part of the way that the government believes they're really going to be able to uproot criminality in marijuana, Marcia.
Okay, Michel, thanks for that. We'll check in with you later this morning for more.